Okay, let's learn some of the terms related to internet. Interspace. Interspace is a future vision of internet in which all the user can communicate among themselves in a live environment, that is in 3D environment in which the data communication speed and exchange of information will be at very high speed as they are working in real world. So the future vision of internet in which the user can communicate among themselves with a very fast and high speed as they are working in real world 3D environment. This future vision is known as interspace. Now the term server. The main computer of the network is known as server, which contain data and information which can be shared by other nodes of the network. For example, in network of railways, one server is present and the people who are doing reservation from different part of the world all are clients. So all the communications done by the clients are automatically saved and updated only at one place. So that place where all the information and record is saved is known as server. Server are of two types. First is dedicated server and another is non-dedicated server. Dedicated servers are those servers which performs only the work of server only. That is, in large organization such as railways, a server is present which performs only the work of storage of data and information and the sharing of files and other details with other clients. So, a computer which performs the work of only server is known as dedicated server. Generally, we use dedicated server in large organization. Such type of network are called as master-slave network, where master is the server and slaves are other clients. We share the information from the server. Next, the non-dedicated server. Non-dedicated server is that server which can be doubled up as a server and as a client. In a small network, for example, network of a internet cafe or a computer lab, we can make any of the computer as server, but at that computer we can also work as a client. So in a small network, all the computers are equal, but we can make any of them is as a server. Hence, such type of network where all the computers are equal are called as peer-to-peer network. So, a non-dedicated server generally used in a small organization which is also called peer-to-peer network. Now the terms switching techniques. Switching techniques refers to the process of exchanging of information between the devices of a network. Basically, there are three switching techniques. First is circuit switching. The main characteristic of circuit switching is that the physical connection between the devices is established and after that exchange of data and information occurs. The best example of circuit switching is telephones. In telephones, all the telephones are first physically connected. The connection could be wire or wireless, it depends on the technique. But the thing is that all the devices must be physically connected with each other. Then only the transferring of the data can be occur. So in circuit switching, all the devices are connected with each other. The connecting medium could be wire or wireless depending on the technology, and after that exchange of the information occurs. Second technique is packet switching. In packet switching, the data at the source computer divides into the packets, and these packets are sent through a communication channel. All the packets are sent from source to the destination, and at the destination these data stored in the main memory of the destination computer. So whenever the destination computer is get ready, all the data will be delivered to that destination. Now the third technique is message switching. Message switching is also known as store and forward technique. Data or the message from the source computer is sent to a message center where the data gets stored, and from that particular message center it will find a free link of the destination computer where it sends the data. To understand the difference between message switching and packet switching, let us take the example of SMS and WhatsApp. The communication through SMS is message switching, and the communication through WhatsApp is packet switching. For example, if you send a SMS to a particular person and the phone of that particular person is switched off for a long period of time, say for 1 week, so you will get a failed delivery report कि message sending is failed. The message will automatically remove from the memory where it is stored. So what happened? You have sent a SMS from your mobile phone. First it gets stored at the message center, and from that message center again it is forwarded to the destination mobile phone. If the destination mobile phone is not working, then the message center will send you the report of failed delivery. But in WhatsApp, what happened? If you send a message from your computer to the destination computer, then message gets saved in the main memory of that user. So whenever user opens his mobile phone, it will be delivered in that mobile phone. So the SMS is an example of store and forward technique, that is message switching, and WhatsApp is an example of packet switching because it uses internet for the communication of data. Hence, we can say that there are three switching techniques. Switching techniques refers to the sending of data from one computer to another computer. There are three switching techniques: circuit switching, message switching, and packet switching. In circuit switching, the physical connection between two devices must be established. The connection could be wired or wireless. The example of circuit switching is telephones. Now, the message switching. In message switching, data is sent from one computer to the message center, and again it is forwarded from message center to the next computer. The best example of message switching is SMS, and the third is packet switching. The packet switching, data is divided into the packet, and that packet is sent from source computer to the destination computer. The best example of packet switching is WhatsApp or any other internet communication. So these are the all switching techniques.